In this video, I am going to review about the best dishwasher on the market. Number 1. Farberware Professional CD6A bbwha Compact Portable Countertop Dishwasher. The Farberware Professional CD6A bbwha Compact Portable Countertop Dishwasher is a compact and convenient option for cleaning dishes. The dishwasher has a 6-place setting capacity that allows you to wash a variety of dishes and includes folding down rack shelves and a cutlery basket. The dishwasher has a quick connect assembly with accessories and adapters included to easily connect directly to your faucet. It also offers 7 washing programs: heavy, normal, baby care, light, glass, speed 45 minutes, and self-clean. The dimensions of the dishwasher are depth, door shut, 21.7 inches, depth, door shut, 20 inches, depth with door open 90 degrees, 29 inches, dishwasher size, 21 inches, height, and product weight, 44.1 pounds. This dishwasher is perfect for people looking for a compact and efficient solution for cleaning dishes. Number 2. Portable Countertop Dishwashers Novet Compact Dishwashers. The portable countertop dishwasher from Novet is a compact and convenient option for cleaning dishes. The dishwasher has a small size but a large capacity, measuring 16.9 x 16.8 x 18.1 inches and holding 4 full-place settings and fitting up to 12 inches dishes loaded at an angle, easily meeting the daily needs of a family of 3-4. The double-layer design offers enough space for 4 serving bowls, 4 cups, 4 small plates, 4 dinner plates, 7 spoons, 7 forks, and 7 knives. It is perfect for small-sized houses, apartments, dorms, boats, and campers, RVs. This dishwasher does not require installation, supports 2 water supply modes, including a faucet mode and water tank mode. Number 3. Black Plus Decker BCD6W Compact Countertop Dishwasher. The Black Plus Decker BCD6W Compact Countertop Dishwasher is a versatile and efficient option for cleaning dishes. The dishwasher features 7 superior wash cycles, including normal, intensive, eco, glass, 90 minutes, rapid, and soak, allowing you to find the right cycle that works best for your dishes. The LED display makes it easy to set the wash cycle and time, and the child lock ensures maximum safety. The dishwasher has a quick connect feature, making it easy to connect to your faucet without the need for direct plumbing or permanent installation. It has an impressive capacity, holding up to 6 place settings at one time, suitable for plates, bowls, saucers, mugs, cups, wine glasses, and utensils. Additionally, the interior of the dishwasher is made of stainless steel, ensuring that your dishes will be cleaned immaculately after every use. Which product is good for you, and definitely make a comment which product you like. Keep watching the video until you get your favorite product. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. You will make a comment which the viewer can understand or the customer can understand, which will be very good for them. Stay with us by subscribing and liking and wait for the next video.